Hello guys, 2-liter Duratorque Mondeo Mark 5 2015-16 all the way up to 2019. So how to change gearbox oil by yourself? Very simple. One cable tied to the bonnet, 2 liters of oil. This is the first bottle what I done. Put a hose on it. This is a shower head hose. Yeah, just put the hose there. Okay, little bit sealant just in case. First bottle what I done, just made the hole on the base, air hole, so the oil can go by itself slowly. Now the second liter, there you go. This is the oil you need for the transmission. I'm gonna be filling up from here, so we need approximately 1.8 liters. So we done 1 liter. I have to put another 450 almost in. But before I do that, I wanna show you where the holes are. So this is our tin for the old oil. I left it there just in case. Okay. And here is your filler hole where the blue hose goes in. And a little bit down. Let me see if I'm gonna be able to show this. I cannot show you, but I'm gonna show you in a minute. So let me fill this oil. I'm gonna show you where is the drain plug. So what needs to be happening now? Once you put 1.8 liter, this has to overflow from the filling hole. Once start dripping from the filling hole, then that's it. We have the correct amount of oil. So let's go and fill it up. And this is the drain plug. There you go. 8mm Allen key. That's all you need. No removing of wheels, no nothing. So let's go and fill. There you go. Let's check how much left. 500. Okay, another 100. 400. Another 100. 300. You see? 300 almost. Let's check correctly. So it's almost 300 left. It's me 1.7 liter in. So let it go and we're gonna check if start dripping from the filling hole. Started dripping already, it means the process is completed. Okay, this is for many of you wondering how I'm gonna do gearbox oil change. Simple as that. So my pipe is going through here, through a hole behind the battery. I didn't remove anything, just run the hose down, find its way, and then plug it in. So it's almost there. Let's see. There you go. Now the oil is gone. Let's check it out. Okay. Let's check it out. Let's see if we have a drip yet. Actually, one moment. I'm gonna try to put the. There you go. So this bottom black is the drain plug. Okay. And this one up there is the filler plug where the hose is. So it's not dripping yet. We need to fill a little bit more. Okay, let's fill a little bit more. Another 100 mil we need. Slowly. Okay. How much we have? Okay. More. Let's see. 250. Okay. Let's wait for 250 to go. Mean for 100 mil to go, and we're gonna fill again. We're gonna check first if it starts. There you go. I think that's it. Let's see. Let's check. Nope, it's not coming yet. So we need touch more. Touch more. Another 50 mil to go. So yeah, 200 left. 1.8 liters. Let it go and we will check now. So it's not coming yet. Keep going. Little bit more. So okay, we left 200, but obviously need more. So we keep going. Let's see how much we left. Left 100 mil. So let's check it out now. Okay, the oil is going. When this oil is gone, then we're gonna check. If we have a drip, then we're done. Okay, that's it. All is gone. Now have a look. Actually, we don't have any leakage yet. As you can see, there's no leak yet. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill the whole oil, then I'll take the hose out, and maybe then it's gonna start leaking. There you go. This is everything, 2 liters. Okay guys, so once this is gone, we can check it out, because we don't have any more oil left. Okay, that's it. So let's put the cap on. Now we're gonna check what's happening in there. Okay, so oil is gone. Okay, let's check out. So we still don't have a leak. Strange. So then, in this case, I'm gonna take the pipe out, and then we see what's happening. Okay, I'm gonna leave you here, guys, to check. Okay, is something visible there? So looks like gonna succeed soon. So yeah, I'm gonna take the pipe out now, and let's see what's happening. There you go. We're gonna pull the pipe. I'm gonna pull the pipe from the hole somehow. Let's try. Okay, 1 second, I will be back. So the hose is out. The hose is out. We don't have a big. There you go. There you go. Yeah. job done. Okay, so this is the container I have used, 5-liter bottle from a screen wash. That's all. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching. And if you want any other videos regarding this baby, Ford Mondeo Mark 5, let me know in the comment section, and then I can make you another videos regarding that. Cheers guys, see you later.